Hi everyone, my name is Bailey Reynolds and I am the chef and owner of Gourmet Bae Catering. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot cake from start to finish. I start by grating my carrots by hand. I do that because I notice that there's a little bit more moisture in the carrots instead of buying them out of the bag. Here I'm adding my sugar, brown sugar, and oil, and I'm going to mix that all together. And after that's all incorporated, I'm going to start to add my eggs in one by one. Now that the eggs are all in there, I'm going to mix everything again until all incorporated, and then I'm going to start to add my dry ingredients, which is baking powder, baking soda, flour, cinnamon, salt, a little ginger, nutmeg, allspice, cloves. And then we're going to do a little mix once more. Try not to get flour everywhere like I did, but if that does happen, just take a kitchen towel and place it over your mixer until everything's all incorporated, and then it'll make a little bit less of a mess. Now that our dry ingredients and wet ingredients have been added, I can add my carrots and raisins and coconut, which I've actually soaked in rum for a little bit. Alright guys, hard part's over. The batter is made. At this point, we're just going to line and grease our baking sheets. I would suggest at this time preheating your oven to 350 degrees. You want to evenly distribute the batter. I have here 2 9-inch baking pans, which were greased and lined as previously mentioned. And we're going to bake these in the oven for about 30 minutes. You know when it's done, when you can insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. It's time for cream cheese frosting. I have room temp butter, cream cheese. I have some powdered sugar and some vanilla, and I'm just gonna whip it all up until creamy, soft, and delicious. Now that my cakes have completely cooled, I have split them, and now I'm filling them with the cream cheese frosting we just made. I'm gonna stack my cakes and do one crumb coat to secure all the crumbs so my final layers don't have any visible crumbs on them. After you're done crumb coating your cake, I would suggest putting it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes, realistically as long as you can wait, so that your final layer is super smooth. I'm just adding my final touches to my cake here, and it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to hop on the web and search gourmetbae.com. If you have any questions, you can find me there, and you can also find the recipe. Happy baking!